But we've been kind of rained out of the racing, so we're getting a kart show together here underneath the pavilion at Newcastle. Actually, it looks like we're having a pretty good turnout on the kart show. We got multiple rows in here. Pile of sidewinders in here. On this side is sidewinders. The other side will have rears. We got Al's mini bike in here. One's all boys are here with a display. Now we have more karts coming in. Run down a row of nice rear karts here. Yes, sir. And of course, there's some neat karts in here. Yes, I got to get on the back side. I got to get on the back side here. Run down the row of karts. Get your papers filled out. It's pretty crowded with people and karts, so I'm not necessarily going to go by and feature a lot of the karts because it's a little bit difficult. But and of course, this is the Bob Waller Enduro kart that David Sagan has got the privilege of showing off. This is quite a piece. Got some history behind this one.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is. Yep, it is a very, very special kart. Let's see if we can capture some of that on it. Blow this up and then slowly.
Everybody be sure you got your whole paper on there.
This kart is a work of art. There's an article with it. You lay right down in this kart. You would have raised places for your toes to go on the bodywork.